Southern California in the US was hit by its strongest earthquake in 2 decades on Thursday, with a magnitude of 6.4. The epicenter of the earthquake was near the city of Ridgecrest, which is about 240 kilometers northeast of Los Angeles. At least 159 aftershocks were recorded after the earthquake, according to USGS seismologist Robert Graves. Subscribe to the channel for more news.